Hey guys, Dances with Owls here. How you guys doing? It's a great day today. Hey, we're gonna show you today about the Twin Pines Lodge up in Dubois, Wyoming. We had a great time up there. This will be a 1 out of 3 part series. This is gonna be the hotel that we stayed in, and I can't say enough about the staff and everybody that worked to keep our experience great. I have 5 stars for this hotel. It was very nice and everything was great. So I hope you guys enjoy this. The hotel is up for sale. I will be putting the price up on the screen. Also, if you like this, please push the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please push the subscribe button so we can give you more of this great content. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and we will see you on the next video.